In this video, I will show you how to create Snap Story in Snapchat account, putting photos or video or memories together in Snapchat. Let me show you how. Open up your Snapchat app. After you open up your Snapchat app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and simply click on this particular icon right here. And the next thing you want to do right here is to slide this way. Go ahead and click on Stories. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Start a Story. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Add Snap. Then you can add snap from camera roll, or better still, you can select from your memory right here. So I'm going to go back to my camera roll right here and select different photos as the case may be. I'm going to select this, select this, select this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and this, just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply go ahead and click on Add right here. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here and write the title of story. The next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and click on Save Story. And you are done.